So today at Model Corner, we'll be looking at the Gemini Jet's AirBridgeCargo Boeing 777F in 1/400 scale. As you can see, this model comes in a presentation box which has an image of the plane on the front, which is identical to the one inside, the airline it ran with, AirBridgeCargo, and the model of the plane, the Boeing 77F. On the back, again, we have another image and some information about what a Gemini jet is. Back to the front, you can open up the lid, and there you go, you can see the plane inside the box without having to take it out if you didn't want to. See, very nice. Then on the lid, we have some information about the plane. So at the top, we have a little history of the Boeing 77F. And then here we have some specification information, such as its length, height, and wingspan in feet and inches. And then some other facts you might want to know, like its range, cruising speed, and max takeoff weight. Now let's open this up and have a look at the model itself. As you can see, there it is. Now tightly packed in. Just take off the plastic cover on top. And there you have it. The AirBridgeCargo Boeing 77F in 1/400 scale. Now this is a high quality die-cast metal model. But there are maybe some smaller parts that are more breakable, such as things like the landing gear. Now, let's have a look at all the details on this plane. As you can see, AirBridgeCargo livery. There's a little thing here saying Boeing 777F, with the F standing for freighter, as this is a dedicated cargo plane. Looking at the wings, we can see the flaps, ailerons, and the wingtips. Very nicely, highly detailed jet engines, as you can see inside. Detailed cockpit, again, detailed livery. On the stabilizers, you can see the elevators and rudders and the vertical and horizontal stabilizers. As you can see on top, we've got little details such as these things here. Of course, highly detailed landing gear. A registration of VQ-BAO. And as you can see on the landing gear here, it also has BAO here. So if you turn the plane around so we can look at both sides, you can see, same on this side. So again, the livery, of course, you can see on the engines themselves, they've got little logos for AirBridgeCargo. So overall, it's a very nice, highly detailed plane. And of course, as this is a 777, which is the largest twin-jet airliner in the world. So this is a very large twin-jet dedicated freight airliner. Now, this model itself has a wingspan of about 16.2 centimeters, of course. With this being 1/400 scale, this is probably one of the larger ones. And it's about 15.9 centimeters long. So again, very nice size model plane. And of course, again, it's high quality die-cast metal. This is as good as you can get. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.